Hello my dear YouTubers, hello my subscribers, Natalia with you. We continue our journey to Brest, and I'm sharing the information with you. I want to show you one of the cheapest hostel in Brest where you can stay if you decide to visit this beautiful city. We are at the train station. You can see the train station building at square itself, like it is just in front of us. And for this journey I choose a hostel with perfect location close to this train station, and I will show it to you right now. So the hostel, wait, I don't see anything. The hostel is just behind me. If we talk about price, $7 for one person you will pay if you choose this hostel. Below this video I will share contact information so you can book it if you decide to stay at this place. But now I'm gonna make a quick review of this place. Are you ready? By the way, people who work here, they are really nice, helpful. Let's check it out. I stay in this hostel, so I have a key. Yeah. So you can see that this hostel worked with booking.com long ago, but now it's impossible to book it through booking.com. You can see. So the quality is really good, and I can say that now it's fully booked. There are no places right now. So I spent one night here and I'm satisfied with everything. So guys, I want to show you our room. So this is find here in this hostel. If you decide to, you see our sandwiches my friend made for us already. So there are 4 beds in our room. Oh, it's a ta-da-da-dum. Here's a shower. Yeah, quite decent. Here is kind of a kitchen, and you can make a tea, you can grab some sandwiches and eat here. I want to show you a kitchen. Everything is clean. Ta-da! Everything is clean. Refrigerator, so you can leave your food here. So I will show you a corridor, few toilets here. Toilets are, let me show you toilets. Toilets are pretty clean. Toilet paper, everything you need. Yes, and if you stay in this hostel, of course you will hear the sound of trains. I like these pictures as well. Nice. And the reception is over there. Very nice and polite lady works here. So there is only one room with a shower, and you can take a shower. I will show you the place in the corridor. These steps, the level looks a bit, so you can see the shower place, shower place is here. Well, I just showed you the showers which you can use if you stay in this hostel. This hostel is pretty clean, and I like staying here, but of course it just for 1 or 2 nights if you really choose the place where to stay, where to sleep, not to live. People are really nice who work here and who stay here. Everything is clean. So this place looks pretty decent. If you are in Brest, I definitely can recommend you to stay in this hostel. And I'm leaving an email down below this video, so you can contact them directly and enjoy your stay in Brest.